Hi everybody. I just had this show up from Weverse yesterday. I was a little tired to do an unboxing yesterday, but yeah, so this came from Weverse to Canada. So I finally just got it. I did have it pre-ordered, so I do have some pre-order benefits here. So we have the Concessio version, Arcanum version, and Inceptio version. Don't know if I said that right, but let's get right into this. Okay, so Concessio version. Says, I will do anything for you if you just... Oh, this is very hard to read. You just give me your approval. Only you can allow me into this world. With your approval, I will transcend every law of the universe. When I pledge my loyalty to you, I feel a profound peace as if time has stopped. No barrier will be able to stop us. Okay. Now I want to reveal everything I've hidden from you. It's a really cute touch. I like that. I also really like the style, this box style. See, only you can allow me into this world. To me, your laughter is a clearer sign of your approval than anything else. So let's just sneak everything out of here. Did I miss that? Oh, if you say yes, I will protect this love. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time flipping through this book. Cute. They all really look great in here. Don't mind the noise my fingers want to make on these pages. Okay, I'll try not to do that too much. Oh, well, that looks really good. So anyways, we had Jake first. I'm sure if you're here, you already know this. And Sunghoon and Sunu. And there's Jungwon and Heesung. Heesung is my bias. Jungwon looks really good here. He's actually been looking really, really good this era. Well, this is Nikki here and Jay. Hope you can see everything okay. I know I have a little bit of a glare going on. I tried to do this setup the best I could, but... Okay, so let's look at the inclusions. Well, first we'll start with the CD. Only you can allow me into this world. To me, your laughter is a clearer sign of your approval than anything else. Okay, so our postcard, I already looked at this by accident. You may have seen that. Is Sunu. Okay. And then this feels like stickers here. Okay, nice. I wonder if the stickers will be the same in every album. I have not watched an unboxing. I wanted to be very surprised. Of course, we have this card, which like literally does me no good while I'm in Canada. Very sad. Okay, so some stickers. And now I read online that these are actually like a ring. So you would actually put this on and wear it. So I think that's really, really, really unique. And also Sanu. So perhaps that is the member that you get. You also get the ring. Okay, and now this looks like it's going to be a mini poster. Oh, nice. Very nice. Try not to get too much of a glare on there. You can see everybody. Okay, photo cards. And ha! Okay, so Hisung is my bias, if that wasn't just obvious. So I tend to not pull him. So yeah, so that's actually pretty exciting. And Jungwon, look at that. All right, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, so I am going to move into the Arcanum version. Try not to stab myself. Okay. So to you, I can reveal all of my secrets. I am glad that it's no other than you whom I can share my secrets with. It's fine if others do not know me for who I am, as long as you do. Secrets that I share only with you. Okay. There is a place I want to open up only for you. Okay, so a cute little message there. You probably have no idea, but I am quite a jealous man. I am glad it's no other than you whom I can share my secrets with again. You and I will create more secrets together from now on. Okay, so, okay, I don't recall coming across this in the other album. I did hear that you get a piece of clothing that they actually have worn. And somehow I don't recall seeing that in the other one. That's very, do not open and touch. Okay, well, that probably would have been better to read before before I opened and touched it. I'll go back through my stuff after. I'm not sure why I didn't find that in the other album. And again, I will not be taking too long going through this book, Arcanum version. That's not too much of a glare. And his song looks very good there. That's very cool. Like a watch choker. These boys love working the glasses, don't they? Sorry, I'm being very quiet right now. I'm kind of I'm a little enthralled in this. Oh yeah, by the way, the track list, I haven't even discussed this. So actually, say like 100 Broken Hearts is probably my favorite song. Moonstruck I really like as well. And then of course, Highway 1009, 1009, however you want to call it. I mean, if you're a fan, like, you pretty much have to love this song. This is the date of the fandom name that was created, Engine. So this is like a 4-engine song, and the boys had a little more creative control in this album, and Heesung even produced that song. Okay, you and I will create more secrets together from now on. And this is kind of cut out. It's fine if others know me for who I am. As long as you do something like that, you probably have no idea, but I'm quite a jealous man. So everything from inside the album. That's really cool. I'm pretty sure that I recall Heesung saying this at some point in time, that he was a jealous person. So, okay, let's put that away. And let's grab, okay, see, now I didn't flip it, so I've already seen this. So we got Nikki. Okay, so let's see if it's the same. Let's see if the rings will be Nikki. Oh, well, that is really bizarre. It's Sunu again. Okay, so now I know that it is not the card you get. That is the ring you get. It's very random. Okay, so stickers, those are the same, each album. And then, oh, it looks like the cards are face up. So, okay. Okay, so our stickers, this sticker is the color of the album. All right, let's move this stuff. Let's have a look here. Really love these colors. Really liking these colors. Okay, are we ready? And Jake, rocking the sunglasses. Listen to me, rocking the glasses. Okay, yeah, this is a really pretty teal color. And Sunghoon, that's really cute. All right, so far, this is actually really nice because we have not double pulled any member. So that is great. And we have a poster here. All right, this one's very white. Very, very white. Jungwon looks quite different in this concept than the other concept there. Album concept. Okay. I still can't believe I took that piece of clothing out and touched it. Okay, that's so funny. Okay, the last album, Inceptio version. I want my existence to be the most special thing to you, a person so special. You are special. Okay, let's open this up. You are special. You and I inhabit different worlds, and this makes our love more special. And this, I definitely can't read this part. You will be my queen, for you are more special to me than anyone else. I will be the one and only man that you can be proud of in this world. Isn't that cute? With every glance, my heart silently seeks you out. What kind of magic did you cast on me that makes my heart burn only for you? You and I inhabit different worlds, and this makes our love more special. Okay, I'm just gonna rid of the inclusions to the side here, and I just threw something on the floor. Yeah, I actually really did like the EXO in the English version. I usually, for some strange reason, don't prefer any English tracks, so surprisingly it was quite pleasant. Oh, this is great. Very cute. Look at Nikki's face. Oh, this is really cute. Jake's looking really good. I really like this, almost like a kind of a scrapbook version here. I really like that. And this, oh, I've seen this picture of Jungwon. Like, this is great, and I just love this color. Like, this really looks good on him. Okay, I just realized that the pages are a lot different than the first album for sure. Now, I can't even remember the second album. So I know when I was flipping pages, my hands were making a lot more noise. Sungoon. Yeah, that's really hard to pick a favorite album. The concepts are so different. I don't know, what was your guys' favorite song on this album? I can't believe they came out with this album as fast as they did after Dark Moon. Which, by the way, Teeth, I love. Love, love, love Teeth. Let's put that to the side. Okay. This time I didn't see it. Oh, and it's Jay. And Jay is my bias wrecker. Okay. And I was supposed to start with the CD here. Okay, you and I inhabit different worlds, and this makes our love more special. What kind of magic did you cast on me that makes my heart burn only for you? Okay, and the stickers. Okay, and this one also says Sunu. Wonder. Ah, I just see my photo card. However, I am happy about it because it is someone that I haven't pulled yet. Any guesses? Nikki! That's really cute. And like, obviously I'm a little new at this. And anyways, this is Heesung, so I've got 2 Heesungs, which I'm very happy about. So that there are my 6 cards that I pulled from the albums. And I am going to leave these right here. So of course I did pre-order from Weverse, so I do have the pre-order benefits here. Okay. So this should be group selfie photo frame. Very nice. So we can open this up. stand it up. We'll just leave it to the side. Can't see them very well there, but okay, now we get, I'm not sure this is like supposed to be a set of mini photo cards, I believe. Okay, this is really neat. Okay, so there is, okay, where's the last one? Here it is. Okay, so each one of them has this, helps if it's the right way. So Inceptio, if you can see that, Inceptio. And Concessio. And Arcanum. So these little guys are going to pop into these stands, and so are these. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Here I was expecting faces on these. I would have much preferred faces on these, but but I will survive. That is really cute though. Okay, just put that there. Now I believe that with the full set that I ordered, it is 3 of 7 unreleased photo cards. So there we go. There's our 3 cards. See how the back is very different. Just white back. No shine to that. Why am I I'm almost kind of nervous for some reason. Oh my God. Oh, that is like the cutest card ever. Jungwon. Oh, I love that. That's great. Wonder if they're all gonna have a character of some sort. Oh, and Sunu. Okay, so that answers my question. So not a character of some sort, but I do see that Sunu has a black heart and Jungwon has a red heart here. So I wonder if there's going to be a heart theme perhaps in these cards. We'll find out. And we have Jay. Actually, Jay is wearing a star. Huh. Okay, well, I was wrong on both fronts. Right. All right. That is that. I think that was pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. And we will see you next time. Yeah, so recall me saying I dropped something on the floor? Yeah, I just closed everything up and realized that I dropped the poster on the floor. So let's have a look at that. I really like this poster because you can really see them. They're a lot more close up. Like that's a kind of poster that would be nice to hang on the wall. And then there's even like, you know, the heart-shaped hand going around their faces. Yeah, I really like that. I think that could be possibly my favorite poster of them all. Where are all my posters? And I like this one, kind of has a bit of a matte finish. This one here, although this is a great poster, it's very, very glossy. And, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I like the feel of this. It feels kind of thicker and more pleasant to the touch. Not that once it's on a wall, you're going to be touching it, but... And I think with this one, I just find, well, it's very bright, but they're so far away. I like to see them close up. I'd say both of these posters actually really, really like. But I think I'm torn. I'll be hanging one of these anyways. There's definitely a poster getting hung. Okay. All right, now that's it for real, and we'll see you next time.